I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure warning lights on your BMW. This is a 2006 530i. And the first thing you want to do is find out how much pressure you need in each tire. So you open the door and look to the right. And there on the right, the side panel, you will see the pressures. Here on the front tires, you need 29 PSI in the front tires. And in your rear tires, you need 36. So on this car, all the pressures was right except the tire in the back, which was on the driver's side. It should have been 36, but when I put the pressure gauge on there, it was reading 25. So first you want to make sure you get your pressure right before you start resetting the warning light. So once you put air in there and you get your pressure right, as you can see, this is showing that tire gauge pressure warning signal. So what you want to do is go here and you want to go to your main page and overlook all this dirt. This car been sitting up for a while. Hit enter, go to vehicle settings, and then you want to go up to the top to where you find FTM, which stands for Flat Tire Monitoring System. Click the set tire pressure, and we already put air in it. Hit yes. Once you hit yes, it'll start initializing. So it's really ready. So after a few minutes, I drove it around for about 2 minutes. As you can see, I'm in drive going about 15, 20 miles an hour. Then when I pull back in the driveway, I put it in park and the lights are off. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and look in my description for any of these gauges or anything you would like to purchase. Thank you.